Good day everyone, I have Redmi Note 9 and I'm getting a request to make a tutorial video of flashing the custom ROM on Redmi Note 9. So I have tried flashing custom ROM but not booting. What is the reason? That my set is up to dated to Miui version to 12.0.6. Redmi Note 9 must be on Miui version on either or on 12.0.4 or either on 12.0.3. Then the custom ROM are working on Redmi Note 9 if you have MIUI version lower than 12.0.5. So basically today I will downgrade my Redmi Note 9 from 12.0.6 to 12.0.3, and then I will make another video of tutorial how to flash the Lineage operating system on Redmi Note 9. If you want to try custom ROM on your Redmi Note 9, then you can downgrade your set, but the risk is all yours. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, you need to unlock the bootloader of Redmi Note 9 to downgrade your set. If your set bootloader is remain locked, then I will leave the link in my video description of tutorial video how to unlock the bootloader of Xiaomi mobile phone. If you have, after unlocking the bootloader, then you can apply these steps. And second things, check the battery should be charged around minimum 50% and save all your internal storage data. This procedure will format everything. Then go to settings and to Mi account. If you have signed into Mi account, then sync it first and remove it. Same way, go to account sync your Google account, then remove it. If you have turn on the password screen lock, then go to the password security and turn off the screen lock. If you have done all these things, then you can just power off the mobile phone. Moving towards my computer screen, already downloaded the stock ROM, that is the global variant 12.0.3 for the Redmi Note 9. The code name of the Redmi Note 9 is Merlin, and the Mi Flash. Both files links are provided in my video description. Make a new folder and download these both files. First of all, extract the Mi Flash here, then open the extracted folder and double click the Mi Flash. Now if you have already installed on your Windows this Mi Flash, then no need to reinstall it. Otherwise, if you haven't, then must install this Mi Flash, because this Mi Flash will help us to flash the stock ROM on Redmi Note 9. Now go back to the downloaded folder and extract the stock ROM. After extracting the stock ROM, open the extracted folder of the stock ROM. You will see another folder. Double click on it, open it, and you must see all the files, the flashing file. Now go back and copy this particular folder from here and paste it to the main hard drive partition. This particular folder need to be copied on the main hard drive. It should not be copied on desktop location and on to any other subfolder. This particular folder need to be copied on the main hard drive partition. Now double click the newly copied folder. Just check all the files are there. Okay, very good. Rename this folder name. Press F2 and make the file name little bit shorter. Bring it to M. You must do this and then press enter. Now I will go to my desktop. That I have the Xiaomi Flash already installed on my Windows. Double click on the icon of the Xiaomi Flash, which is located on the desktop. Click yes on the next window and the Xiaomi Flash will get open. Now click select and locate that hard drive partition where we just copied that stock ROM of the Redmi Note 9. Here it is. You can see that Merlin is the code name. Click on it and definitely you will see all the folders here. Click OK, the Xiaomi Flash boot ROM file. Now come down here and if you want to relock the bootloader, then leave this selection. Otherwise, just like me, if you do not want to relock the bootloader while flashing, then click here and select the flash all. I do not want to relock the bootloader of my mobile phone. I will further flash custom ROM. So that's why I am leaving my bootloader remain unlocked. Mi Flash is ready. Now moving towards the mobile phone. Mobile phone must be power off. we need to boot the mobile phone into fast boot mode. For that, press and hold the volume down key, then power key. Hold it, press. In a few seconds, the fast boot screen will get appear. Here we go. Connect the cable with mobile phone. The other side of this cable must be connected with the computer. After connecting the cable, Windows will give you a sound, which means that the set is properly connected. If Windows asks for the drivers, I will provide the link in video description. You can install that driver. But if you are using a Windows 10 of 2019 or upper edition, then the drivers are already installed. Now click here, refresh, and the progress bar will show that the set is properly connected. Here we go. Right now, click flash and the flashing will get started. Now you need to wait. Do not plug any USB device, do not open any videos or etc. Leave your computer alone. Let the flashing complete, then we will continue. After when the flashing complete, you will see success here, and set will restart. Disconnect the cable from the mobile phone, and set will start booting into Miui 12.0.3. The first boot will take a time. We are done with the computer. Wait for the first boot to complete, then we will continue. Finally, first boot complete of Miui 12.0.3, downgrading from 12.0.6. I will complete my setup screen now. Congratulations to me, congratulations to you. Set is downgraded from Miui 12.0.6 to 12.0.3, and will let us to flash custom ROM, and will let the set to boot the custom ROM. So this was a procedure of downgrading from Miui 12.0.6 to 12.0.3. Either if you are on 12.0.5 or 12.0.4, you want to go to the to Miui 12.0.3, you can simply apply this procedure. If you got helped from this video, do not forget to give a like to this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I need your support. Take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.